Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you and demonstrate to you how you can use this mini portable sealing machine with the heat. See here, when we cut the packages, food packages or the snacks or whatever it may be, in order to seal after the use means for the air seal, we can use this portable heat sealing machine. I'll demonstrate you, and this is the magnetic grip. You can keep it on the refrigerator like this is the brand new IFB refrigerator. If anyone missed this, just I'll drop the link in the description. You can just check. For now, we'll just okay. Now what I'll do is by using this, first of all, let me cut this. Say for example, we are making chapati or rotis, right? We'll open the package, and what we'll do is we'll use some flour, right? Fine. So after the usage, we usually keep like this, right? Or we'll just hold it like this. But the air seal won't happen, but with this portable sealing machine you can actually do. So there is a C port here. See here, there is a C port for this mini portable heat sealing machine. You can fully charge it. Once you charge it, there is a power on button. See here, you need to switch on the power. There is a light indicator. So just keep it like this with this button. See, with this button, just place it over like this and seal it. Is done. Now let me seal it again. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, now see here, I did like 2 to 3 times. Now it was perfect. The air got sealed. See. Okay, what you can do is by pressing over here, by joining these two gaps, by placing the cover inside, just gently move like this. Press and move, press and move. Okay, so with the heat this gets sealed. Okay, right. Now see here, the air got completely sealed. If for the first attempt, if it is not properly sealed, do it twice, gently only. Okay, gently like this. So this gets sealed. Thus you can use this kitchen essential kitchen gadget under 200 rupees and keep the food items fresh. I hope you like this. And I'm using this stainless steel chopping board to make chapatis. Maybe if you want, I'll show you the result of that. Please do ask in the comments.